Hey guys, it's Kim, the Outdoor Learning Specialist at the Alamance Partnership for Children, and today we are out having playgroup in the rain. The kids are having a great time, and I'm going to show you some fun things that we do here in the rain. And here is a friend using the tire swing in the rain in our outdoor learning environment. Are you having fun today?
Leather, are you having fun?
Here we have some friends at our water flume playing in the water. Rain isn't going to stop us from playing outside.
Good job. Make some mud soup.
And here is our mud kitchen, which is even more fun in the rain. And of course, jumping in muddy puddles is always super fun.
There you go. Good
You see
job.
it fizzing and bubbling up?
Yeah. Look at that. All right,
Having fun in the mud. Yeah.
I bet you could get the shovel and shovel some mud into a bucket.
And I'll shovel mud.
Whoa, that was a good jump.
Careful so you don't fall.
Yay!
is that fun?
Wow, that goes fast. I'm sorry, I'm getting rain all over you. It's raining.
Whee!
You like this place, Milo?
What would you say? Oh, you want a digger? Okay, there's one right here. I'll get one for you.
I need to watch.
Don't let the rain stop you from getting outside and enjoying nature. Just throw on a pair of boots and a raincoat and have some fun. Contact me to learn more about playgroups and outdoor learning. Bye for now.